Let's get you an ET Now exclusive, and in the backdrop of RBI's second list of stressed assets for insolvency proceedings, ET Now learns that the Navratna public sector lender PFC is evaluating options to liquidate assets of one such big account which has a huge exposure of 5,000 crore to the lenders consortium. Neha Bothra now joins us with more details. Neha, tell us, why is PFC not keen on insolvency route, and what's the name of this stressed account to start with?
Well, to start off with, we are talking about East Coast Energy. This is one company based in Andhra Pradesh. It has a total exposure to bank's debt level of about 5,000 crore rupees. And do remember, RBI had issued a second list of accounts that it needs to be tackled ASAP as far as banks are concerned, in terms of ensuring that the NPA crackdown gathers pace and we get rid of the 7 lakh bad crore bad loans in the system. To that end, I'm given to understand from my sources that lenders have identified several accounts, and East Coast Energy is one such account, of which PFC is the lead banker, and they have really decided to go and opt for direct liquidation without really trying to restructure the bad loan. Remember, when I talk about restructuring a bad loan, we are talking about all the tools available to bankers. This is, of course, done in negotiation with the promoters, but in this case, it is found to be unviable because, do remember, only about 40% of the total plant capacity is up and running. In fact, the existing investor in the group, that is the Athena Group, is unwilling to invest anymore. In fact, banks have stopped lending as well. There is a working capital constraint, and to run a company of this kind would require certain expertise, and thereby to cut losses and to ensure that the entire matter unravels in a speedy manner, they have taken a call to ensure that they will liquidate the assets without really going to NCLT, because that will again prolong the matter by 6 to 9 months. So this really is the decision taken by PFC. We are given to understand from sources at this point. Of course, it has to be ratified by majority lenders on board, and we are given to understand they would be meeting sometime in September to really take a call as far as this particular exposure of East Coast is concerned. But 5,000 crore is a relatively big amount as far as lenders are concerned. And this is important because it signifies that banks are now willing to go the hard road to ensure that they do not really stretch time and stick to a timeline to ensure that the 7 lakh crore bad loan that we are talking about in the entire system is readily taken into account and is solved, to ensure that the matter does not stretch further, because do remember, the Reserve Bank of India, the government, all have taken a very strict call as far as this NPA menace is concerned, that has been really staggering growth in the economy, and this is one measure that banks will now take into consideration to opt for direct liquidation versus NCLT proceedings, or even versus resolution packages that we have seen in the past.
Right. Thanks a lot for joining us with that exclusive story. That's the NPA cleanup drive being undertaken by PFC. The stock is up by about ₹1.80 a piece.